Hello friend, welcome back to channel GOUTAM BERA. Today discuss with you about the update information given by Mr. S regarding the early bird. We going to details regarding the early bird. If you new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now going to discuss next. Mr. S told us very two words, early birds, and also he told in this regarding this one or told tax pay. Now time to tax pay. That these two types of the is very important for all the stakeholder regarding to on passive. Why I told that stakeholders means who are the dependable on passive, who are the expected, who want to earn from on passive. So I told this stakeholder, but Mr. S told this it is very important. All these members and who are want to earn from on passive, so the taxpayer is very good important. The members, most of the members are not paid a tax. It is not, I not to told you it is the bad habit they are not payment. It is not, they not pay because their earning is not taxable income. Their earning is not a taxable income, so they not pay the tax. But in the 2024, it's not. You are everyone going to earn the sufficient income to pay the tax. You are going to earning lump sum amount that going to your exceed the taxable limit, tax exemption limit you are going to exceed. So you going to earn income in this year 2024, but after 2024 you exceed the limit. Within the 5 years you are going to good taxpayer. In upcoming day you are the topmost one of the taxpayer in your country. It is very clear. Mr. S are going to discuss things with us. That day is not hard. Day is your hand. Wait just few minutes. There another surprise coming. 8 April we get the surprise from on passive, and 18 is going to, if all is well, we going to remarkable day 18 April. It is we all expect we must achieve our game, we must achieve our the aim within the 18 April. If we success, it is the success not only Mr. S. It is the success. We going to success. We going to achieve our aim as this team. This team, all the members, all these founders members, all technical team, marketing team, all back office team, all total team is going to success our aim. So upcoming day is the very important. All these founders member, there have also been another this point, early bird. Early bird, yes, early bird. Early bird means who are going to this work, going to job as early as possible. They, those who are never waste their time for work, for end their job. When they get the job, they want to end their, they want to finish the job. So friend, it is the very good importance. It is very well, 100% cannot do this, never cannot do this, because at first you are, when going to a job, there you must thinking it is suitable or not. Then you thinking, I do this, it is perfect or not. After it, what I pay, it is returnable or not. There are the so many questions come your mind, and you struggle for all type of this question, and you cannot get this answer from this question. If you ask to others to regarding this answer, they divert you different way. They divert you different way. They never told you. Why not? Because they are, these are the unknown to him, unknown to her, what they talk or what you want. That this too is not proper accurate. So your mind is diverted in different way. But 1% of the people trust it. He give this job, it is suitable for me, it is earnable for me, it is preferable for me. So I finish this job at a glance, as fast as possible. I complete the job. This 1% can do this in the organization, in passive organization. Those people who are active their code, who are successfully subscribe their O Connect as per the, because they have the trust, they have things, they have the own opportunity. So they do this as early as possible, and they also suitable, not only suitable, they are the one of the person who is recommend for extra benefit. Yes, they are the recommend for extra benefit. Here early bird Mr. S sir maybe want to give this expression. She want to told us they are get extra benefit from on passive organization. It is for their trust, it is for their braver work. So he can get as a prize, the extra advantage. Thank you to all of these members who are the earlier word, who are going to achieve this prize, who are going to achieve their aim. Upcoming day, we get the list of these people to who achieve this game. Thanks to all, lot of thanks Mr. CEO, lot of thanks to all of these members found, lot of thanks to